Hi friends, I am Shoaib Khan and welcome to my YouTube channel NIOS Studies. Today I have brought to you solved English TMA of 12th class. You can see the very first page of the TMA file. You have to write subject name, which is English. After that, subject code 302 TMA NIOS, and in the last you have to write your academic year. This is the second page. You have to write academic year on the top of the page. After that, name, father's name, enrollment number, class, subject, subject code, and in the last you have to write study center. Let's start the questions answer. I have told you that every file has 6 questions. Each question has 2 parts, A part and B part. You have to do only one part, either A part or B part. Here I have solved the A part of the question number 1. The question number 1 is, what was Gavaskar's vivid recollection of his childhood days? Describe in your own words. This question has 2 marks, so you have to write this question's answer in 40 to 60 words. I have written here. You can solve to see this answer. And this is the second question. I have written A part of the question. The question is, which grave step was intruder about to take? Who convinced him to change his mind? This question also has 2 marks and you have to solve it into 40 to 60 words. This is question number 3. I have solved the A part of the question. The question is, why was Ramlal worried about for Bholi? Was his concern genuine? How can you say so? This is very important question for the question paper. This chapter is very important. This question is taken from Bholi, chapter number 25. This question also has 2 marks. Next question is question number 4. This question has 4 marks. If Nan Kaka had not noticed this abnormality, I would have grown up to be an obscure fisherman. Who is the speaker of these lines? What abnormality was he suffering from? How did that abnormality turn into a blessing for him? This question has taken from chapter number 1. You can take the screenshot of the answer. The next question is question number 5 and I have done the B part of the question. The question is, Gerard outwitted the intruder and came out as a clever person. Do you agree with the statement? Justify using examples from the lesson. This question has 4 marks and you have to solve it into 100 to 150 words. So take the screenshot of the answer. Next question is question number 6. I have solved the A part of the question. The question is, prepare any project out of the following in about 500 words. I have solved the A part, and the A part is, interview any 5 families near you about how satisfied they are regarding the workings of the government in their area. You may ask condition of road, cleaning of drains, security of people, supply of electricity, and cleaning of roads. There are 5 topics. After collecting the information, write a letter to the local representative and the address. Here is the answer. I took the 5 family. You can write like this. Serial number 1, family number 1, Gupta's family and his remarks on 5 topics. Serial number 2, family number 2, Singh's family and his remarks. Family number 3, Khan's family and his remarks. Family number 4, Singla's family and his remarks. Family number 5, Sharma's family and his remarks on 5 topics. At the last, I have written the letter for representative. You can write like this. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take and write. If you want this in PDF file, so you can call me or chat me on this number. But the PDF file is paid. You have to pay only 30 rupees for this. If you like the video, you can share, subscribe and like. Thanks. Jai Hind.